Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. In this video, we'll see how we can solve this maximum subarray problem. We do have an array. Out of this array, we just need to find the maximum subarray. Okay, to solve this problem, first let me just initialize two variables here. Both will point initially to 0. Now I'll just run a for loop. I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Inside here, let me update this sum with math dot max sum plus nums of I and nums of I. Okay, the greater one will hold this sum. Next one is max sum. Here also we'll just update it with max sum math dot max sum and max sum. We'll just return the max sum. Now let me just submit it. Okay, I'll just update this max sum with nums of 0, which will hold initially the 0th index array element. Right, let me submit it now. Yeah, we'll see how we have added this logic here. Let us suppose here we do have an array which holds these values. Right, first initially this sum will hold 1, correct. The max sum is also going to hold this, either of the sum or the max sum, which is having this 1. Right, now next in the next step this sum will hold 3. Obviously 1 plus 2 is greater than this num of I, that is 2, right. Then max sum is also going to hold 3, as in sum is greater than the previous max sum. Now in the next step sum, if we see here, minus 4 plus 3 is going to be minus 1, right. Negative 1 is obviously greater than the minus 4, that is num of I, right. So we'll just update this with minus 1, but the max sum is going to be the same as the previous one, as in the sum is less than the max sum. Now in the next step we can see here sum is currently having minus 1 plus 8 is going to be 7. So 7, and if we compare the number of I, that is 8, 7 is obviously less than the number of I, that is having the value 8. Sum is going to update with 8 here, and our max sum is going to update with this sum value, as in max sum is previously holding the 3 and the sum is updated with 8. So our output is going to be 8, right. The maximum subarray sum is here 8. And even if let's say this instead of this negative 4, if we do have this minus 2 here, then at this position the sum is going to be 1, and in the next position the sum is 9. Max sum is updated with 9. Okay, so this is how we can solve this problem.